Maxim 59. I had a wound under my robe, and a sheikh asked me daily how, but not where it is. And I learned that he refrained because it is not admissible to mention every member. And wise men have also said that whoever does not ponder his question will be grieved by the answer. Until thou knowest thy words to be perfectly suitable, thou must not open thy mouth in speech. If thou speakest truth and remainest in captivity, it is better than that thy mendacity deliver thee therefrom. Now, there is morbid curiosity, and tend to stay away from that stuff, right? And what could lead to some sort of immodesty. And there's also the deal of avoid exposing your own sin, avoid exposing other people's sin, unless you're ready to face punishment. And of course, a sheikh, or either a community leader or a religious leader, sheikh, it's not for them to necessarily expose you to the punishment either, or the humiliation thereof is even more likely of a thing.